Find the following integrals. Exercise number 7.1. Okay, few problems and so few almost all out of actually 15 problems. Not 15, it is 20 problems, 10 problems. That day only 2-3 problems were solved. Okay. And remaining is homework for you. It is integration of 1 minus x into root x dx. That day, at the end of the previous class, it is given as a homework. It is 1 minus x into root x. Root x is nothing but x raised to half dx. By multiplying it, I told you, manipulating the integrand is main. So, it is 1 into x raised to half is x raised to half. X raised to 1 into x raised to half. X raised to 3 by 2. By multiplying 1 into x raised to half is x raised to half. X raised to 1 into x raised to half is x raised to 1 plus half. Then x raised to 3 by 2 into x raised to half. That's equals to x raised to 1 plus half. That's equals to x raised to 3 by 2. Theory of indices. A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. 1 plus half. LCM 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2, 3 by 2. Now, integration of x raised to n formula suits here. Exactly both the integrands are of the form x raised to n. Plus or minus is there. But to integrate each and every terms, that is not necessary to write that one. Straight away you write down x raised to half. Integration of x raised to half dx. That's right. X raised to n dx. X raised to n dx formula is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. That's equals to x raised to half plus 1. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 is half plus 1 upon half plus 1. X raised to n integration. N is half here. Half plus 1 upon half plus 1. Minus x raised to 3 by 2 integration. X raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2. LCM 5 by 2. Therefore, it is equal to x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus x raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2. At last you put 1c. Both the parts are integrated by using the formula integration of x raised to n dx. X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Here n is half, here n is 3 by 2. Now plus or minus is there. You have to differentiate or you have to integrate each and every terms. No need to write integration of x raised to half dx minus x raised to 3 by 2 dx each and every time, not necessary. So 3 by 2 is multiplied a by b upon c by d, a by b into d by c. Therefore 2 by 3 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 into x raised to 5 by 2 plus c. 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 means square root it is. A raised to x raised to 3 by 2. Nothing but x raised to 3 whole raised to half. That is the square root of x raised to 3. Raised to half means square root. So that's equals to, it is 2 by 3 into square root of x raised to 3 minus 2 by 5 into x raised to square root of x raised to 5 plus c. That is the integration. You have to manipulate the integration. So the integrand. What function you have to integrate? That's the integrand to such a form where you can apply the integration formula. And the integration formula first is here. So second one, integration of x cubed plus 3x plus 4 upon root x dx. There is no quotient formula of integration for integration. So I have to convert it into x raised to n form. How to convert it into x raised to n form? That's equals to x cubed upon root x plus 3x upon root x plus 4 upon root x dx. Now x cubed upon root x. Root x means x raised to half. X x cube upon root x is nothing but x cube upon x raised to half. The area of indices a raised to m upon a raised to n, a raised to m minus n, a raised to m upon a raised to n, a raised to m minus n. That's equals to x raised to 3 minus half, a raised to m upon a raised to n, a raised to m minus n. So in place of a, x is the same base. It may be a, it may be x, anything. So same base should be there. Then x raised to m upon x raised to n is x raised to m minus n. X is equal to x. LCM is taken 3 to the 6 minus 1, x raised to 5 by 2. So therefore this is equal to x raised to 5 by 2. What is 3x upon root x? X upon root x is equal to x raised to 1 minus half, because root x is x raised to half. X raised to half. The area of indices, x means x to the power 1 minus half, x raised to half. Minus 3 constant, x raised to half, minus 4 upon root x, plus 4. Root x goes to the numerator, x raised to minus half. 1 upon x raised to half, x raised to minus half. 1 upon a raised to m equals to a raised to minus m. You don't know ಕಲಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು 5th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇವನ್ 5th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಲಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೀವು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರ. ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ನೀನು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತೀಯ. ಇದಲ್ಲ ಯಾರೋ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಒನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೂ ನೀವು ಆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ವಿನಃ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ರೂಢಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವೈವ್. ಯಾವ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋತಾನೋ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸರ್ವೈವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ dx. ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋತೀರ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅದು ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಕಲ್ತೀರ. ಪಾಠ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ತಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ it is integration of x raised to 5 by 2 dx minus 3 outside x raised to half dx plus 4 outside integration of x raised to minus half dx. I have taken integration to each and every terms, not necessary actually, but at the same time any constants are, that constant is taken outside. Now x raised to 5 by 2 integration, x raised to 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1, x raised to n integration, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. That's equals to x raised to 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 into x raised to half plus 1 upon half plus 1 plus 4 into x raised to minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1 plus 4 into x raised to minus half plus 1. Space is not sufficient, I will write it below. Is equals to x raised to 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 x raised to half plus 1 upon half plus 1 plus 4 into x raised to minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1. 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2. X raised to 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2. X raised to 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2 minus 3x raised to half plus 1 is 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus 4 x raised to half plus 1 minus half plus 1, I'm sorry, minus half plus 1 is minus half plus 1, LCM is taken, minus 1 plus 2 upon 2, LCM is taken, is minus 1 as it is minus 1 plus 2 upon 2, minus 1 plus 2 is 1 by 2. It is 4 x raised to 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. Now simplify. 7 by 2 is taken a by b. Sorry. In a head by 2. It is x raised to 7 by 2 into division denominator can be multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 by 7 a by b upon c by d that's equals to a upon b into d by c. Therefore 2 by 7 7 by 2 multiply ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ denominator a by b upon c by d a by b into d by c. Denominator division can be converted to multiplication by taking the reciprocal. ಹಾಗಂತ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ a by b only one term, denominator ಎರಡು term. Either numerator is having one term or denominator is having only one term, you can apply the rule of a by b upon c by d. ಇಲ್ಲಿ numerator ಒಂದೇ upon one ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Suppose denominator is having only one term, upon one ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Therefore it x raised to 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2, 7 by 2 multiplies, it will become 2 by 7. Therefore 2 by 7, the answer is 2 by 7 into x raised to 7 by 2. 2 by 7 into x raised to 7 by 2 is again same explanation. It is upon 2 means square root. X raised to 7 by 2, nothing but x raised to 7 whole raised to half. Whole raised to half means square root of x raised to 7. 3 by 2 is ulta tagondre, it is 3 into minus 3 into 2 by 3. 3 cancels, therefore minus 2. 3 into 2 by 3, 3 cancels. X raised to 3 by 2 means it is square root of x cube plus 4 into 2 by 1. 1 by 2 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 by 1. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into x raised to half means square root of x. Finally you put one square root. Finally put one square root. It is x raised to p by q is equal to cube root of x raised to p short. q ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದ್ರೆ suppose it is 2, then square root ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. q is 2, then square root. If square root, no need to write 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ square root ಹಾಕೋದು 2 is 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. If 2 is not written, it is understood, it is square root. Square root ಅಂದ್ರೆ radical index is 2 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. x raised to p by 2 is equal to cube root of x raised to p. Cube root of x raised to p. Finally, x raised to 7 by 2. Very it is square root of x raised to 7 by 2. 2 is alwa square root. Square root of ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಬರೆಯುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 2 here understood. Here inside the radical index, suppose x raised to 7 by 3 it is cube root of x raised to 7. 7 by 2 is ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಬರೆಯುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Understood. It is 2. If 2 is not written, means it is square root only. Next one. Finally you put one c. Third one, integration of x square into 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. X square you multiply. Integration of x square minus 1 x square into 1 x square into 1 by x square cancels 1 dx. X square multiply, x square into 1 x square into 1 by x square cancels 1. So that's equals to integration of x square dx minus integration of 1 dx. For each and every term dx is taken, integration is taken. X square integration x cube by 3 minus 1 integration x 1 dx means dx integration. Dx integration is x. Number of times it is 2. 2-3 videos it is explained, and the integration of 1 dx. 1 dx means simply dx. Integration of dx is x, because by differentiating x you are getting 1. Therefore integrating 1 you are getting x. x ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ 1 ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 dx is equal to integration of d by dx of x dx. Integration differentiation ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. dx ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ is x. Or integration of dx. d and integration, differentiation and integration cancels, answer is x. In one explanation, integration of 1 dx, 1 is the x raised to 0 dx. X raised to 0 integration, x raised to 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1, x raised to 1 upon 1 means x. In the higher explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೋ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 6 months ಲೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು 30-40 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹುಡುಗರು ಯಾರು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸನ್ನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ಗಳನ್ನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಡ್ಯೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಪೀಪಲ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮೂತ್ರನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಮೂತ್ರ ಆಗೋದು ನೀವು, ನಾವಲ್ಲ. Fourth one, integration of 2x minus 3 cos x plus e raised to x. ಲೋವರ್ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಹಳ್ಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಣ್ಗ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ನನಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ, ಅದಿದೆ, ಇದಿದೆ, ನಾಟಕ ಅಂತದ್ದು. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎದ್ದು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ integration of each and every part of integration to 2 into x dx minus 3 into integration of cos x dx plus integration of e raised to x dx. For each and every part integration is taken. Whenever plus or minus is there, for each and every part you have to take the integration. Any constants are there, constants are to be taken the outside the integration symbol, and for each and every term dx is to be taken, because integration of simply x is wrong. Integration of ಯಾವುದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಎನಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ dx ಬದಲೇಬೇಕು. x ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ f of x, ಎನಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ x ರಾಂಗ್. f of x ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ dx, f of z ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ dz, f of theta ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ dθ. ಓಕೆ. 2 into integration of x raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 x raised to n integration x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 x raised to integration of x raised to n integration ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Integration sign goes, answer is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus 3 cos x integration. Cos x integration is, look at the formula, sin x. Integration of cos x dx is sin x plus e raised to x integration. E raised to x integration is e raised to x. E raised to x integration is e raised to x. Formula. This formula is simple, straightforward formula given in the list of those 20 formulas. Look at the formula. Then just integration. I told you integration is simply the formula is to be applied. Just learn how to apply the formula. A basic technique of science student. X raised to n integration is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. What is the idea here? 1. Therefore, n plus 1, 1 plus 1 upon n plus 1. Integration of cos x, simply it is equals to sin x. Therefore, integration of cos x dx is sin x. Integration of e raised to x. Formula says that it is equals to e raised to x. That equals to taken here. It is equals to ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. It is equals to ಇದು. It is equals to ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Term wise equals to is written. ಇದರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಂತು. ಇದರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಂತು ಅರ್ಥ. ಇದರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ. Fifth integration of sec x into integration of sec x into sec x plus tan x is equals to, now it is equals to sec x to multiply sec x into sec x, sec square x plus sec x into tan x, it is sec x tan x. Now let us take the integration to each and every terms. Integration of sec square x, that's equals to integration of sec square x dx plus integration of sec x tan x dx. Integration of sec square x, straightforward formula. In the formula chart it is given. Tan x differentiation is sec square x. If you have the differentiation idea, automatically you can write down the integration formula also. Integration of tan x is sec square x. Sorry, differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Therefore, integration of sec square x is tan x. By differentiating tan x, dy dx of tan x, we are getting differential coefficient as sec square x. By the definition of integration, integration is the antiderivative. By differentiating a function, you are getting the differential coefficient. By integrating that differential coefficient, you get the original function. Therefore, this tan x, this sec square x, tan x ಬಂತ ಪಾತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹುಡುಕಾಡಿ. Integration of sec square x is tan x. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ತಲೆಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. By differentiating sec x, you are getting sec x tan x. Therefore, by integrating sec x tan x, The integral is sec x. The answer is sec x. The answer is the integral of the derivative of the integrand, and after integration what answer you are getting? That the integral. For all together, one c is enough. Next one, integration of sixth one. Integration of sec square x upon cos x square x. That's equals to integration of sec square x is 1 by cos square x. Cos x square x is 1 by sin square x. That is multiplication is taken. That's equals to sin square x upon cos square x. Sin square x, melo into cos square x, sin square by cos square x is tan square x. Integration of tan square x dx. But there is no direct formula for tan square x. Sec square x is there. Cos x square x integration is minus cot x. Direct formula. But tan square x direct formula is not there. Already it is taken. The technique of integration is like this. For that one, an example is given. Manipulation of the integrand is made. Manipulation of the integrand to convert it into a form where I can apply the formula. That manipulation is important. So that is explained. This tan square x integration is explained for that purpose only. It is tan square x is nothing but sec square x minus 1. Tan square x is sec square x minus 1 because 1 plus tan square x is sec square x. Therefore, tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. Now integrate each and every term. Integration of sec square x dx minus 1 dx. That's equal to integration of sec square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. Integration of sec square x is tan x minus 1 integration dx plus c. Integration of 2 minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx. That's equal to integration of 2 upon cos square x. A minus b upon c. A by c minus b by c. Minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx. That's equal to 2. 1 by cos square x. 1 upon cos square x. Trigonometry formula. 1 by cos is sec. Therefore 1 by cos square is sec square x. Minus 3 sin x by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is equal to sec square x. And sin x by cos square x. That's equal to sin x upon cos x into 1 by cos x. Sin x by cos x is tan x. 1 by cos is sec x. 1 by cos square. 1 by cos is sec. Therefore 1 by cos square x is sec square x. So this is therefore 2 as it is. 2 upon cos square x means 2 into 1 by cos square x. 2 upon cos square x. 2 upon cos square x means 2 into 1 by cos square x. 2 into 1 by cos square x. That is 1 by cos square x is what? Sec square x. 3 sin x by cos square x. Sin x by cos square x is written as sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. Sin x by cos x is tan x. 1 by cos x is sec x. Therefore, it is 3 times of tan x into sec x dx. That's equals to integration of 2 sec square x minus integration is taken to each and every part. Now plus or minus is there. You have to take integration to each and every part. 2 into integration of sec square x dx minus 3 into integration of tan x into sec x dx is equals to 2 into integration of sec square. Now direct formula. Whenever plus or minus is there, you have to take integration to each and every part. Any constants are there, to the constant outside. Therefore 2 into integration of sec square x minus 3 into integration of tan x minus intervention. Take integration to this part and less this part. 2 into sec square x dx tan x minus 3 into tan x sec x integration that's equals to sec x plus c. Next one. Put one c at last because integration of x square x is tan x. Formula chart. Refer the formula chart. Integration of tan x sec x is sec x because differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Therefore integration of sec x tan x sec x are sec x tan x. One is the same. A into b is same as b into a. Tan x sec x is tan x sec x is sec x. Eighth one. Integration of 1 by sin square x cos square x. This is the one in the example. So many times in CET also it is asked. Then how to manipulate it, the integrand as it is formula chart. In the formula chart for this function as it is there is no formula. So one I will take it as this is the manipulation of integrand. To convert it into a form I can apply the integration formula. One I can take it as sin cos square x plus sin square x or sin square x plus cos square x. Cos square x plus sin square x. Does not mean that wherever one is there you have to take sin square x plus cos square x. So for this problem it is this. Wherever your integration one is there you have to take it as sin square x plus cos square x. Not like that. But for this problem that reflection works. That is the integration. Okay. Manipulating the integrand is made. So that is cos square a plus b upon c. That's equals to 1 is taken as cos square x plus sin square x. Now a plus b upon c, a by c plus b by c. It is cos square x upon sin square x cos square x plus sin square x upon sin square x cos square x. Here cos square x cancels. Here sin square x cancels. 1 by sin square x remains. That's equals to cosec square x. 1 by cos square x remains, that's equals to sec square x. 1 by sin is cosec, 1 by cos is sec. Therefore integration of, that's equals to integration of cosec square x plus sec square x. Because 1 by sin square x is equals to cosec square x. 1 by cos square x is equals to sec square x. What is the integration of cosec square x minus cot x? Formula chart. Differentiation of minus cot x is cosec square x. Therefore integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. The formula chart it is given. Integration of sec square x. Whenever plus or minus is there, you integrate each and every term. Plus sec square x integration tan x. Because differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Therefore integration of sec square x is tan x. No need to take cos square x dx. Integration of sec square x dx. Whenever plus or minus is there, taking integrand to each and every part, integration to each and every part and putting on dx, not necessary. So straight away we can write down the answer. Next one. If d by dx of f of x is d by dx of if d by dx of f of x is equals to 4x cubed minus 3 by x raised to 4 given. I have to work out f of x value. On integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. Integration of d by dx of f of x is equals to integration of 4x cubed. Whenever integration is taken, you have to put 1 dx. Integration of d by dx of f of x, 1 dx. When integration is taken, you have to put 1 dx. 4x cubed. If you are differentiating with respect to x, upon dx you are taking. Integrating with respect to x means you have to take 1 dx into dx in the numerator. Okay. Now 4x cubed minus 3 by 4x dx. In differentiation upon dx. In integration into dx should be taken. Now integration differentiation cancels. It is f of x is equals to right hand side f of x. 4x cubed integration. 4 into x raised to 4 upon 4. X raised to 4 constant outside. X raised to n integration. X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Minus 3 by 4 constant. 1 by x integration is log x. 3 by 4 constant. 1 by x integration log x. 3 by 4 is taken out, the integration 1 by x remains. 1 by x integration